Welcome back to the V7 245 attempt in 40 degrees. Both our cameras shut down because of the heat. We've had them on the ice bottle, trying to cool them down. Paul's trying to get his camera back up, and I'll try and go back to my camera work. Here we go.
Ready?
We're ready. We're up and running.
Okay.
Okay, try and get that camera out of shot. Alright.
Attempt 423, take. No, not really. It's just, we had, unfortunately, both our cameras shut down for the heat. There's only so much shade you can protect yourself with. It's 40 degrees above us at the moment. Stuck in the car park, and quite comfortable considering where we are. But Pocket Woman is all comfy there. It's got a little cushion and a parasol umbrella thing. But this is I've tried using the HPC solid wrench. It's not happening for me. And I'm picking in hand, which I don't do normally, or I wouldn't do actually, to be honest, because my hands cramp up in a very short time. Must be getting old, I think. But I need hands like Murdoch 68. But so I'm going to give this another shot. We'll see what happens. The ideal situation would be to pick this in 2 minutes. That'd be great, but unlikely. That way we can. We've got a production failure here. Failure. Umbrella's collapsed. It's all right. As long as the cameras are still in shade, we can keep them cool a bit better. It's okay. We have a production crew on standby, editors and directors, and we have makeup artists and hairdressers, and we have a trailer there where we can go get refreshments and be made up to start again. No, I was joking, obviously. We're wrestling against Pocket Woman's car, actually. That's her backrest at the moment. So. Anyway, give it a shot, see what happens. But like I say, it'd be nice to have a bloody vice, but obviously haven't got that luxury out in the world. Actually, there's probably a plan F. I was thinking, or plan B, or C or D is cutting that old gal bit of threaded rod there. Plan F would be take the whole bloody thing, take the whole railing. But I don't think she hasn't got roof rack, so that'd be a problem. But she can tie it to the back of the car and drag it down Junction Road. Sparks flying.
Now that'd make a cool video.
That would make the police chasers Adelaide helicopter above you. I'm not sure you're going to get a good view of me, but I can only pick where I'm sort of reasonably comfortable.
Just to say what we said before, we do have permission to pick this lock in the wild and to take it away as our little souvenir of our exploits.
This is a piece of gold, a nugget of gold really in regards to vintage Lockwood. Not so much the V7 system, but just the V7 system on an old, pre-2000 Padlock. They're out there in collections, but they don't come up on eBay very often. When they do, they're pretty pricey. I think probably Noctis has got one in his collection, I think. Who knows? Them bolt cutters are looking pretty good at the moment, to be quite honest with you. But
I should have brought mine. I didn't think of it.
Yeah, I didn't think. I was too confident. I was too smug. I don't know how it goes.
I was too excited. I didn't bring nothing with me. I just jumped in the car with the camera and went, right, we're off to pick in the wild with Paul.
She has too much faith in me. She should have brought the bolt cutters. The plan just to, well, not so much these, but obviously when you're out doing this out for a job out in the wild, no one single picks, no locksmith in Australia single picks a lock out in the wild. Well, obviously today's a different situation because this is not an ordinary situation, but yeah, it's the idea is obviously to gain entry as speedily as possible and take the cash and well, not run but walk fast back to your van and go out of there. That sounds very suspicious, doesn't it?
Yeah, but it's not. It's a V7. You're not going to get in quick no matter what you do.
Yeah.
Unless you do the destructive entry thing.
This is out. This is like a out of the package pick basically, and just
yeah. What? 50
crap at
years from the packet.
Unfortunately, I'm not going to see much what I'm doing because I'm pretty confined here. And
It's all about technique, whether we get it picked or not.
and
It's about showing the folks the technique.
And a wing and a prayer, I hope.
Yeah, the wing and the prayer help. Real help.
That's the church ringing the bells, by the way. Actually, before I come down here, I went in there and saw the priest and said, "Could he ring the bells at 12:30 to give me some luck?"
So that's the wing and the prayer kicking in.
That was Plan D. Whether that works or not. Well, Plan E's. See how we go. No shame in not getting it open. I've got an iced coffee down there, which is probably gone not so much iced anymore. It's probably warm. That's the only drawback of iced coffee in this heat. You've got to drink it scone straight away, basically. Yeah, I'm getting to that point where I've got a production failure.
Probably pick it as soon as I put my camera down.